The super elegant bracelet chain is here. In this order, insert the pearls and beads. Tie knots to secure it. Pass the thread from one bead. Add 6 1.5 millimeters and 1 2 millimeters in the center. Add the same sequence of beads and pass through the next bead. Re-add a circle again. Take out the thread from 2 millimeters bead. Add 1 pearl. Take out the thread from the next 2 millimeters bead by adding 1 pearl. Re-add 1 more pearl. Repeat the above steps to the appropriate length. At the end, add 7 1.5 millimeters beads. Pass through the 2 millimeters bead. Recreate 2 more groups. Pass the thread from 4 beads. Pass the thread in the middle of the previous group. Add a buckle of your own choice. Close the map by tightening the beads. Here comes the finished product.